People invented windows to easily find and use what they wanted without opening the door. We asked, why is there not a small convenient window in the smartphone case that we always carry? So we created a small window in our case that we can access without opening. You can listen to music and answer the phone like this. You can see the world through our quick window. And you can better manage your precious time. You don't need to open and close the case several times a day just to check the clock. You can listen longer, talk longer, and see more. See without opening, a more convenient phone inside a phone. The LG G2 Quick Window Case.